Linear relations. So we are trying to understand how to graph line when a linear relation is represented in different forms. Question number 2. Graph the line y equals to minus 3 over 2x plus 3. Explain the steps. Now here we are given equation in slope-intercept form, right? So this form is called slope-intercept form. Now if the equation is given in slope-intercept form, then how to draw the line? This is what we will discuss now. So first thing is write down what is the y-intercept. So we have y-intercept is equals to 3. The y-intercept is a value. If you put x equals to 0, whatever value of y you get is the y-intercept, right? So slope-intercept form, let me remind you, is y equals to mx plus b, where m is the slope and b is y-intercept, correct? So that is slope-intercept form. Now if you compare your equation with this, you find that the y-intercept is 3. And how do we get it? You plug in x as 0. So the first term becomes 0 and y is equals to b, and that is why it's called y-intercept, right? At x equals to 0, that means this line. What is the value of y? Where the line crosses, that is the y-intercept. So you get y-intercept of 3. So that is the first point of your line. So you go to 3, 1, 2, 3. So we are assuming in all our graphs that each unit here is representing 1, right? So this is 1, this is minus 1, right? This is minus 1 and this is 1. So if I am not writing this, assume each unit to be 1, okay? So we have y-intercept and the first point, which is 3. The second thing we have to figure out is the slope m. So the slope, if you compare, m is equals to minus 3 over 2, coefficient of x. It is minus 3 over 2. That is the slope. So we get the second point using the slope. Slope is rise over run, correct? Slope is rise over run. So rise here is minus 3 and run is 2. So what does it mean? Rise minus 3 means go down by 3 units. 1, 2, 3. That is rise of minus 3. Opposite, right? It's not going up, down. And run of 2. So that means 1 and 2. So we get this point. So we get a point. Similarly, we can get more points. We go down 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. We get another point. Joining these points give us the given line. You can also think slope as equal to, you can associate minus with the denominator. In that case, it will be 3 over minus 2. Do you see that? That is also a slope of minus 3 over 2, correct? But in this case, what are we saying? We say rise is 3. So this time go up 3. 1, 2, 3. And the run is minus 2. So we'll do 1, 2. And you get this point, correct? So like that, we can get more points. So once you get these points, join them with a line to get the result, correct? So let's join them. So we have all these points now. We'll just join them and get the line. So that line represents the given equation, which is minus 3 over 2x plus 3. Minus means slope downwards, right? 3 over 2, check any 2 points. The ratio of rise over run will be minus 3 over 2. And plus 3 is your y-intercept, right? So this point is 3 on y-axis, correct? This is x-axis and that one is y-axis. I hope you understand now exactly how to sketch or graph a line with equation given in slope-intercept form. So step number 1 is find the y-intercept, rather read it and plot it straight. And then read your slope, right? And then do rise over run, get couple of points, join them together, right? So the second is this, and third, join these points, right? How many points do we need? We need at least 2 points, right? And better always 2 to 3, right? or 3 points to get a line. Okay, that is preferred. 3 points is better to draw a good line. So that will work. I hope you understand. Thank you.